In this video I will show you how to do a paperclip using the sweep command. We start with the sketch on the XY plane. We draw a vertical line. After placing the line, we can hold down the left mouse button to create this arc. We go on like this till we have the shape of a paperclip. Meanwhile, we need to pay attention that all these lines are vertical and tangential to the arcs. Now we can add some more constraints. We make the start and the end point coincident with the x-axis. We add a symmetry on the y-axis for the vertical lines. We create the dimensions of 8 mm for the outer lines, 6 mm for the inner lines. Now we add the distances for the center points of the arcs. The larger one is 25 mm. The smaller one is 16 mm. The arcs are colored purple. That means that the sketch is not fully constrained. Therefore, I add another symmetry for these points, so they have the same distance to the x-axis. Now all arcs and lines are colored in black. That means our sketch is fully constrained and we can finish the sketch. We go on with the sketch on the XZ plane. We project the starting point of our first sketch onto our new sketch. I make the first sketch invisible so one can see the projected yellow point. We create a circle with a diameter of 1 and we make sure that its center point lies on the projected point. Then we can finish the sketch and make the first sketch visible again. Now we use the sweep feature to create the paperclip. As our profile, we select the circle in our second sketch. As our path, we select the first sketch. Then we click OK to finish our paperclip. Now we can add another appearance. And change the visual style to realistic. I hope you liked the video. See you soon.